वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं नररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
द्वितीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
समर्थः पदविधिः
समर्थः पदविधिः
शुभामन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
आमन्त्रिते पराङ्गवत्स्वरे
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
प्राक्कडारात् समासः
अव्ययी भावः
सह सुपा
सह सुपा
सुपा
अव्ययी भावः
अव्ययी
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्धि वृद्ध्यर्थाभावात्यया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चादितानुपूर्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकर्ण्यांतवचनेषु
अव्ययं विभक्ति समीप समृद्ध्यर्थाभ्यया सम्प्रति शब्द प्रादुर्भाव पश्चात् यथानुपूर्य योगपद्य सादृश्य संपत्ति साकल्यान्तवचनेषु
यथा सादृश्ये
यथा
सादृश्ये
यावदवधारणे
यावदवधारणे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
सुप्रतिनामात्रार्थे
अक्षशलाका संख्याः परिणाम
अक्षशलाका
संख्या परिणाम.
Is my voice clear to you? Yeah. Thought is better than yesterday. Still.
Otherwise, we will chant, sir. Why? One will chant 10 sutras like that. So,
yeah,
why?
Yes.
For your throat, why we will have to give more of this thing?
Yeah, please do.
Okay, ji. Shall I do, ji?
Yeah, please.
Vibhasha.
विभाषा
अपपरि बहिरञ्चवः पञ्चम्या
अपपरिबहिरञ्चवः पञ्चम्या
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
आङ्मर्यादाभिविद्योः
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
लक्षणेनाभिप्रति आभिमुख्ये
अनुर्यत्समया
अनुर्यत्समया
यस्य चायामः
यस्य चायामः
तिष्ठद्गुप्रभृतीनि च
तिष्ठत् गोप्रभृतीनि च
पारे मध्ये षष्ठ्या वा
पारे मध्ये षष्ट्या वा
सङ्ख्यावंश्येन
सङ्ख्यावंशेन
नदीभिश्च
नदीभिश्च
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
अन्यपदार्थे च संज्ञायाम्
तत्पुरुषः
तत्पुरुषः
द्विगुश्च
द्विगुश्च
द्वितीया श्रितातीतपतित गतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
द्वितीयाश्रितातीतपतितगतात्यस्तप्राप्तापन्नैः
स्वयं तेन
स्वयं तेन
खट्वाक्षेपे
खट्वाक्षेपे
सामी
सामी
कालाः
कालाः
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
अत्यन्तसंयोगे च
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
तृतीया तत्कृतार्थेन गुणवचनेन
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
पूर्वसदृशसमोनार्थकलहनिपुणमिश्रश्लक्ष्णैः
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कर्तृकरणे कृता बहुलम्
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
कृत्यैरधिकार्थवचने
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
अन्नेन व्यञ्जनम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
भक्ष्येण मिश्रीकरणम्
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थबलिहितसुखरक्षितैः
पञ्चमी भयेन
पञ्चमी भयेन
अपेतापोढमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
अपेतापोढमुक्तपतितापत्रस्तैरल्पशः
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्राणिक्तेन
स्तोकान्तिकदूरार्थकृच्छ्राणिक्तेन
सप्तमी शौण्डैः
सप्तमीशौण्डैः
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
सिद्धशुष्कपक्वबन्धैश्च
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
ध्वाङ्क्षेण क्षेपे
कृत्यैर्ऋणे
कृत्यैर्ऋणै
संज्ञायाम्
संज्ञायाम्
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तेनाहोरात्रावयवाः
तत्र
तत्र
क्षेपे
क्षेपे
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पात्रे समितादयश्च
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
पूर्वकालैकसर्वजरत्पुराणनवकेवलाः समानाधिकरणेन
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
दिक्सङ्ख्ये संज्ञायाम्
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
तद्धितार्थोत्तरपदसमाहारे च
सङ्ख्यापूर्वोद्विगुः
सङ्ख्यापूर्वो द्विगुः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
कुत्सितानि कुत्सनैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
पापाणके कुत्सितैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमानानि सामान्यवचनैः
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
उपमितं व्याघ्रादिभिः सामान्या प्रयोगे
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
विशेषणं विशेष्येण बहुलम्
पूर्वापर प्रथम चरम जघन्य समान मध्य मध्यम वीराश्च
पूर्वापर प्रथम चरम जघन्य समान मध्य मध्यम वीराश्च
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
श्रेण्यादयः कृतादिभिः
तेन विशिष्टेनानन्य
तेन नञ् विशिष्टेनानञ्
सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
This Vartika is important.
वार्तिका ओके सर
Important. We are going to see it today.
यस जी शाक पार्थिवादीनां सिद्धय उत्तरपद लोपस्योपसंख्यानम्
शाक पार्थिवादीनां सिद्धय उत्तरपदलोपस्योपसंख्यानम्
सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
सन्महत् परमोत्तमोत्कृष्टाः पूज्यमानैः
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
वृन्दारकनागकुञ्जरैः पूज्यमानम्
कतरकतमौ जातिपरिप्रश्ने
कतरकतमौ जातिपरिप्रश्ने
किं क्षेपे
किं क्षेपे
पोटायुवतिस्तोककतिपयगृष्टिधेनुवशावेहद्बष्कयणी प्रवक्तृ श्रोत्रियाध्यापक धूर्तैर्जातिः
ओटा युवतिस्तोककतिपयघृष्टिधेनुवशावेहद्वष्कयणी प्रवक्तृश्रोत्रियाध्यापकधूर्तैर्जातिः
प्रशंसा वचनैश्च
प्रशंसावचनैश्च
युवा खलति पलितवलिनजरतीभिः
युवा खलति पलितवलिनजरतीभिः
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
कृत्यतुल्याख्या अजात्या
वर्णो वर्णेन
वर्णो वर्णेन
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
कुमारश्रमणादिभिः
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
चतुष्पादो गर्भिण्या
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
मयूरव्यंसकादयश्च
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य प्रथमः पादः
रमाजी வேணும் நீங்க chant பண்ணுங்க I will repeat
द्वितीयः पादः
द्वितीयः पादः
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
पूर्वापराधरोत्तरमेकदेशिनैकाधिकरणे
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
अर्धं नपुंसकम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ तुर्याण्यन्यतरस्याम्
द्वितीय तृतीय चतुर्थ तुर्याण्यन्यतरस्याम्
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
प्राप्तापन्ने च द्वितीयया
कालाः परिमाणिना
कालाः परिमाणिना
नञ्
नञ्
ईषदकृता
ईषदकृता
षष्ठी
षष्ठी
याजकादिभिश्च
याजकादिभिश्च
न निर्धारणे
न निर्धारणे
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थ सदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
पूरणगुणसुहितार्थ सदव्ययतव्यसमानाधिकरणेन
तेन च पूजायाम्
तेन च पूजायाम्
अधिकरणवाचिना च
अधिकरणवाचिना च
कर्मणि च
कर्मणि च
त्रिचकाभ्यां कर्तरि
त्रिजकाभ्यां कर्तरि
च नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
नित्यं क्रीडाजीविकयोः
कुगतिप्रादयः
कुगतिप्रादयः
उपपदमतिम्
उपपदमतिम्
अमैवाव्ययेन
अमैवाव्ययेन
तृतीया प्रभृतीन्यन्यतरस्याम्
तृतीया प्रभृतिन्यन्यतरस्याम्
वाच
त्वाच
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
शेषो बहुव्रीहिः
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
संख्यया व्यया सन्नादूराधिकसंख्याः संख्येये
संख्यया व्यया सन्नादूराधिकसंख्याः संख्येये
तिङ्नामान्यन्यतराले
दिङ्नामान्यन्यतराले
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तत्र तेनेदमिति स्वरूपे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
तेन सहेति तुल्ययोगे
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
चार्थे द्वन्द्वः
उपसर्जनं पूर्वम्
उपसर्जनं पूर्वं
राजदन्तादिषु परम्
राजदन्तादिषु परं
द्वन्द्वेघि
द्वन्द्वेघि
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अजाद्यदन्तम्
अल्पाच्तरम्
अल्पाच्तरं
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
सप्तमी विशेषणे बहुव्रीहौ
निष्ठा
निष्ठा
वाहितान्यादिषु
वाहिताग्न्यादिषु
कडाराक् कर्मधारये
कडाराः कर्मधारये
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
इति पाणिनीयसूत्रपाठे द्वितीयाध्यायस्य द्वितीयः पादः
Thank you. Now we are seeing the Sutram under Visheshanam Visheshena Bagulam. That is, the topic is Karmadharaya. And you can see many sutras are under Karmadharaya. Samanadi Karanena up to 72. The whole section is Karmadharaya. The important sutram is Visheshana Visheshana Bagulam. And other sutras are, see, this one sutra itself is sufficient. Why other sutras are there? The other sutras are either it should be for Visheshya to Purnipata or some specific, like Upamanam, Upamitam, and Sankhya, Dik Sangya Sanyaya, etc. Some more things we are going to see here. Some words. Katara Katamajati Pariprashne, Kingshepe, Shrenyadayaha, etc. So the next sutra, that is 58, the sutra which we are saying, and Visheshana Bagulam, the whole sutra coming as Anuvritti. And the last class we saw the sutra, Purva Para, Pratama Charama, Jaganya, Samana Madhyama, Virascha. So this is one word, it's a compound. Iterator Dunda Samasa. So Purvascha, Parascha, Pratamascha, Charamascha, Jaganyascha, Samanascha, Madhyascha, Madhyamascha, Virascha, Te. Iterator Dunda Samasa. So these Subantam Padam, Ityadi Subantam Padam, Iti Subantaha, Sumanta Padani, Samanadi Karanena, सुमन्तेन सह समस्यते कर्मधारय तत्पुरुषः भवति तत्पुरुष समानाधिकरण तत्पुरुषः कर्मधारयः पूर्वस्य एव अयं प्रपञ्चः दिस् इस् फार् making the purva nipata, the words purva etc. in order to make them stand first in the compound. So let me purvasya eva ayam prapanchaha. This sutra is made for the purpose of placing these words first in the compound, purva nipata. So therefore purvaha purushaha, purvaha purushaha, purvaschaso purushaha, purva purushaha, aparaschaso purushaha, aparaha purushaha. Similarly, the first person, pratamascha, प्रथमश्चासो पुरुषः प्रथम पुरुषः becomes prathama purushah. So you have to do all that process, that is writing the alaukika vigraha and by supodhatu pratipadikyo look and purva nipata by this sutra. So all these things are understood, not written explicitly, so we know it. That's right. So this is a sutra by which these words, when you come across these words, purva, para, etc., you can note. This will be placed first. Purva, para, then. So purvascha, so vayyakaranaha. Another example. Yeah, not only purusha, any example you can take. Purvascha, so vayyakaranaha. Becomes purva vayyakaranaha. So here, which is visheshanam, which is visheshanam. That is why the sutra is required. Vayyakaranaha, the first grammarian. So here the purva is it visheshanam. So does it qualify? Or the question comes. That is why the sutra says these words, when these words are there, these words must be placed first. Purva vayyakaranaha. Similarly, the other words. Charamaha. What Charamaha is a Charamaha, last person. Charamaha Purushaha, Charamaha Purushaha becomes Charama Purushaha. Samanaha, Samana Purushaha. Samanaha Chaso Purushaha, Samanaha, Samana Purushaha. And Madhyascha, Madhyaha, Madhya Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Madhyama, both are there. Madhyaha, Madhyaschaso Purushaha, Vigraha would be Madhyaschaso Purushaha, Madhya Purushaha. If it is Madhyama, Madhyamaha, Madhyamaschaso Purushaha, Madhyama Purushaha. Then this apara one vartikam is there. Aparasyarde paschabhavaha vaktavyaha. Visandra's class. Aparaschaso purushaha. Apara is there in the sutra. Purva apara. So aparaschaso purushaha. Aparasya paschabhavaha. Apara will be replaced by aparasistane. Arde uttarapade pascha adesha bhavati. Therefore paschardaha iti. Aparascha. This is very specifically for the word apara followed by ardha. Suppose aparascha asau purushaha, apara purushaha, then nothing happens. Aparaha chasau purushaha, other person becomes apara purushaha. So purva is the first, prior. Purva, prior. Apara, the other person. Pratama first. Sharma, the last. Then Samana, okay. Jaganya also one is there. Jaganya Purushaha. Pratama, Sharma, Jaganya. Jaganya is the inmost. Jaganya. Jaganya Purushaha. I just take Purusha, anybody can come. Jaganya Purushaha. And Samana is equal. Madhya is middle. Madhyama also same thing, middle only. And the last word is Veera. So here we saw one. Veeraha. Okay, here repeat to Veera. Veera also. This Vartika for Apara for this combination. And Veeraha Purushaha. Is a Veeraha. Veeraha chaso Purushaha, Veera Purushaha. Now, Veeraha Ekaha. Now, here only that's I don't know what will be the compound. Here we have this Veeraha Ekaha. So here, what will happen? The word Veera, which is in the Sutra. Sutra is in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, it is Upasarjanam. The Veera should be placed first. By this Sutram 2158, I write this. By this Sutram 2158, the word Veera must be placed first. Why? Because it is Upasarjanam. It enjoys Sangya Upasarjanam. The word Veera must be placed first. As it enjoys Upasarjana Sangya, to be placed first. But it is the compound is between the Veera and Ekaha. The compound is between Veera and Ekaha. So Veera is in the Sutra, therefore it enjoys Upasarjana Sangya. But there is another Sutra, Purva Kalika Sarva Jagat Purana. Which Sutra that is? Sutra is Purva Kalika
2149.
2149. By that Sutra, there the word Eka is Purva Kala Eka. So Ekaha, the word, which is in Pratama Vibhakti here. So Eka Shabdaha Samanadikaranena Subantena Saka Samasyate. So therefore, because the word Eka is here, by this Sutra, Eka enjoys the Upasarjana Sangya. Therefore, Eka, the word Eka, cannot compound the word Veera with Eka, because Eka is covered in this Sutra. Therefore, by the Sutram, that is 2149. I'll write the Sutram later. 2149. Purva Kalika Sarva Jagat Purana Navakevala Samanadikarana Iti Sutrena. The word Eka combines with Samanadikarana Subantam Padam. Samanadikarana Subantam Padam. Therefore, Eka and Veera. So this will combine. This is how it is combined, not Veeraha Ekaha. If it is Veeraha Ekaha, then Veeraikaha will come. That is not Ishtam. So this Sutra will, therefore, the 2114 Eka will be placed first. and Veera will be later. Therefore, that will apply. So the Veera will be placed second. So therefore, you get the compound Ekaviraha. This is only just for a specific combination. Ekaviraha. So here the Veera, it is the Uttarapadam, stands second. It is Paranipata, the word. So Ekaviraha. So therefore, Ekaviraha compound is by the Sutra 2149, not by this Sutra. Therefore, Purva Para, the Sutra, because the word, now the question may come. 2149 is, okay, let me write that also. 2149 is before, and this Sutra is 2158. The Sutra will not Parattam applies here. For that answer is, we give the answer. Ekaviraha. The word Eka combines. No, by the Sutram 2149, the word Eka combines with Samana, and it is applied here. And therefore the compound must be. And therefore the compound must be Ekaviraha. Now the question comes. 2158 is Parasutra. 2149 is Purva Sutra. Vipatishede Param Karyam. Since 2158 comes later, our Sutra, since 2158 comes later, 2158 is Parasutram, will not this apply? Will not this Sutram apply? Will not this apply by the force of Paratom? The question comes. For that we give the answer. Since the word Bagulam is there, Bagulam. So Bagulam is Kvachit Anyadeva. Because the word Bagulam is used. Therefore, since the word Bagulam is, it is used in the Sutra Visheshanam Bagulam. Therefore, Visheshana Bagulam, and that comes with Anuvritti. Therefore, the word Eka must be placed first. It must be placed first, and Veera second, Paranipata. That is the significance of the Bagulam. So this is an example for Bagulam. Bagulam Kuchidanyadeva. Sometimes it is Kuchidanyadeva. Something else will happen. Kuchidanyadeva. Kuchid Pravrittihi, Kuchid Apravrittihi. Those examples we saw. For the Sutra Visheshana Bagulam itself we saw. But we didn't see Kuchidanyadeva example. We just go back and see Visheshana Bagulam. There, Kuchit Pravrittihi, Kuchit Apravrittihi, Krishna Sarpaha, etc. Those examples we saw. And Kuchit Apravrittihi, for that example, Tilaha, Krishnaha, Jamadagniha, Ramaha, Jamadagniha, all those things we saw. Ramaha, Jamadagniha, this is Apravritti. This is example for Apravritti. And Kuchit Pravrittihi, Krishna Sarpaha. Kuchit Apravrittihi, Ramaha, Jamadagniha. And Kuchit Vibhasha, there's an optionality, is a Nirod Palam, etc. But Kuchit Anyadeva, they are not seen. So for that, the next sutra The sutra we can take and the example for Kuchid Anyadeva. So here the specific combination Ekaha and Viraha, not Viraikaha by the sutra 2158, our current sutram, but by the sutra 49 Purvakalika Sarvajarat Purana Navakevala Samanadikaranena Sutrena Ekapadam Purvam Purnipatyate. And therefore, Bagulatvat Tasya Eka iti Padasya as a sutrena Purnipatyate and combined with Vira Shabda Samanadikarana Subantana Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. Example for Kuchit Anyadeva. Okay, Kuchit Anyadeva example we have not given that. So this is the example for that. Kuchit Anyadeva. Okay. This is very specifically for Ekaha Viraha. So all the other words as it is you have to apply. So if these words are there, then this compound will apply. This sutra will apply. So this is Purvasya Ayam Prapanchaha. The sutra is required because this is this restricts the scope of Pura Nipata of these words. Okay, the next sutra. That is, all the sutras are like that only here. All the sutras down below, they are Purvasya Ayam Prapanchaha Visheshana Bagulam. That one sutra itself enough. Then why the sutra? The Bagulam is important. Bagulatvat, all these things can happen. Second, number one. And second thing is, the main thing is, these words are Purvanipata. Purvasyayam Prapanchaha. That is the main thing. Now, the next sutra, we'll see. Shenyadeha Kritadavi, the last class just to explain. I'll write here now. Shenyadeha Kritadivihi. You can see the sutra pata. Shenyadi Gana. It's a Gana. Shenyadeha Kritadivihi. The website the Gana is given. I'll write the sum of the words of the Shenyadi Gana. Shenyadayaha Kritadivihi. From the sutra itself, it's clear, which is Upasarjanam Purvam Bhavati. This is 2159. Sutra is Shenyadayaha Kritadivihi. Now, Shreni Adayaha is the Bahuri compound. Shreni Adayaha, from that we know Shreni is the first letter. For Shreni Adayaha, Adihi Adi Adayaha, Yesham, Te. So Shreni is the first. Shrenihi Adihi Yesham Te. Shreni Adayaha. Shreni is the first among the list of those words. So referring to those words, therefore Shreni Adayaha. Shrenihi Adihi Yasya Ganasya Shreni Adi. You can say Shreni Adi Gana, you can say. So Shreni Adayaha, referring to the Gana, the group. Similarly, Kritadivi, that is also. The first word is Krita. Kritaha Adihi, Yesha Adeha. Not Adeha, Adihi. Shenihi, the one first word. Okay. Kritaha Adihi, Yeshamte, Krita Dayaha. Krita Dayaha, referring to the list of words. The list, Krita is the first word. Similarly, Sheni is the first word among the list. Sheni Adihi Yasya Ganasya Sahaganaha Shenyadi Ganaha. So Shenyadeha referring to Shenyadi Gana. Sheni is Adi. Similarly Kritadi Ganaha. So Shenya, both are Bahuri compound. So therefore Vritti would be Shenyadeha. Let's see Kashika what says. Sutra is 2159. Shrenyadeha Subantaha Kritadevi Samanadikaranai Subantegi Samasyate Tatpurusha Tatpurusha Samasashta Bhavati, and this is important. That is Shrenyadishu, that is a Vartikam in fact. Shrenyadishu Chvi Artha Vachanam. Important. We can take this Vritti. Shrenyadeha Sumantaha. So therefore Shrenyadeha begin Pratama Bhakti, therefore Upasarjanam. Upasarjanatvat Purvam Bhavati. These words will come. The words of the Shrenyadikana. Tatpurusha Samasaha Bhavati. Katadihi Sumantaihi. Saha Samasyate Tatpurusha Samasaha Bhavati. And there's a Vartikam is Shrenyadishu, important. Shrenyadishu Chvi Artha Vachanam. By that Vartikam, this also we saw in the last class. First, let us see this. I think the list of words are given. You can see in the Ganapata, or here itself is given, I think. Also as given. Shreni, these are the words Shreni, align series, Eka, Puga, etc. And similarly, Krita. Krita is beginning with Krita, Dhan. Both are, I think both are Akriti Gana. Akriti Gana, yeah. Both are Akriti Gana. And Chvi Artha Vachanam. What is Chvi Artha Vachanam? Chvi means Chvi Artha Pratyaya is used. That is Chvi Pratyaya. Chvi Pratyaya is used in the sense of Abhuta Tadbhave. Abhuta Tadbhave Chvi Pratyaya Bhavati. We know, we have seen. That which is not, that. Originally it is not, it is made into. So, Shenya Deha, it means that which was not classified, now it is classified. Sheni Kritaha. So, therefore, the Chvi Artha Vachanam, Chvi Artha Shenyadi Shabdaha Subantaha Katadibihi Subanteki Saha Samasyate. So, that is the meaning. Therefore, Abhuta Tadbhave, this Chvi Pratyaha Bhavanti, Chvi Pratyaha Bhavati, then therefore, example should be Ashrenayaha Shrenayaha Kritaha. Ashrenayaha Kritaha. The compound would be Shreni Kritaha. Yeah, the Shreni, the word, the first letter of the Gana is Shreni. Shrenya the Gana, the first letter is Shreni. Shreni is Rasva. Yes, Shreni is that. So we get Shreni because the words of the Shreni, Gana, they are compounded, we say, and the thing is that the words of the Gana, Shreni Gana, must have the Pratyaya, Chvi Pratyaya. The words of the Shreni. Therefore, Ashreneha Shreni Kritaha. So, therefore, Abhuta Tadbhave Chvi Arte, this compound is made. So, Shenyadi, the words which are read in the Shenyadi Gana, in the compound, it must be in the meaning of Chvi Artha. Sheni, etc., they are, as Vasu says, supposed to have the force of Chvi Pratyaya. For the sake of this compound, it must have the force of Chvi Pratyaya. So the words which are read in the, okay, I'll write the meaning of this Artika, the words which are read in the Shenyadigana, which are read in the Shenyadigana, must be in the sense of Chvi. Artha, Chvi is Abhuta Tadbhave. In making the compound. It's important. So, when you make the compound, the words the Shenyadikana must be in the sense of Chvi Artha, Abhuta Tadbhave Arte. Therefore, Abhuta Tadbhave Ashreneyaha Sheni Kritaha. So, Sheni plus Chvi, you get Chvi is a Tadita Pratyaya. Content is E. Therefore, Sheni. Similarly, other words. Ashreneyaha Sheni Kritaha is one example. And similarly, we have the example like you can take the next word in the Rashi. Next word is, I think, Eka. That which is not Eka, Aneka. See the Shrenyadikana. Eka. So that which were many is made into one. In that meaning, Eka is to be read. That which was not a class or a series is made into a class, and that word combined with Kritadikana word. Similarly, Eka meaning that which was not Eka before is made Eka. So that combines with Kritadikana. So same word Krita we can take. So Eka means not directly Eka Shabda combines. It's not Eka, the word combines. The word was, before it was Aneka. So Aneke, Ekaha Kritaha. That which were many, Ekaha Kritaha. So that which were many is made into one. So therefore, Eka will become Eki now. Eki Kritaha. So that which were many before, now in the that the Chiyartha, that Krita Shabda, that Eka Shabda combined with Krita Shabda. So therefore, you get Eki Kritaha. Let us see Kashika. He has given examples, I think. Not Eka Kritaha. So it must be Eki Kritaha. It's a typo. It must be Eki Kritaha, not Eka Kritaha. Because Chiyartha, right? So Yata Sheni Kritaha, here it must be Eki Kritaha. Sheni Kritaha, Sheni Eka Puga, etc. Similarly, other word if you take Dikana, Puga Kritaha, it's also Pugi Kritaha, not Puga Kritaha. Let me check. Yeah, Sheneha, Balamanama. I think it is it's a mistake maybe. Let me change it. It is Eki Kritaha, Rashi Kritaha, Pugi Kritaha. That is how it should be. Anyway.
Yes, in Bala Manorama it is there. Shreni Kritaha is there.
Yeah. Puga also, Puga Kritaha, not Pugi Kritaha, not Puga Kritaha. See, that is the rule. Here, Sheni is E. The word originally it is E. So when you add Chi Pratyaya, like for example, we have seen Ashuklam Shukli Kritaha, right? The Shukla, the word is Akaranta Shabda. Here the word is Shreni is Ikaranta Shabda. Therefore, the Ajanta Shabda, that's a sutra. It's not required now, but anyway, I'm just telling you. This is in Tadita, we'll see Shvaucha 7-4. Okay, this is a sound for section. Shri Pratyaya is Tadita Pratyaya, but Angakarya, that is given 7.4.26. Shau Pratyaya, that is Shri Pratyaya Pare. Ajantasya Dirgha Bhavarti. Therefore, Ajanta Shabda will become Dirgha. Therefore, that which was Ashuchi now becomes Shuchi, clean. Shuchi Karoti, Shuchi Bhavati. Patu Karoti, Patu Bhavati, Patu Syatiti. So Ajanta Shabdasya Dirgatvam Bhavati. Therefore, Sheni is Ikaranta Shabda, Ajanta Shabda, Ajanta. So therefore, by this sutra, Chaucha, what will happen? It becomes Sheni. It becomes Sheni. Then what about Rashi is also one more word is Rashi. It becomes Rashi. That which was not group, heap. That was not heap is made into heap. Rashi Kritaha. If it is Akaranta Shabda, we have one word. See, Shuklam, Ashukla, Shuklam Bhavati, not Shukla Karoti, Shukli Karoti. Then we have another sutra, Asya, 7432, if you see. For Akaranta Shabda, there's an exception. That is, Achvarnantasya Angasya Chauparataka Ikaraha Deshavati. Therefore, Shuklam, Shuklam Bhavati, Shukli Bhavati. Ashuklam Shukli Karoti, Shukli Karoti, Shukli Sya iti. So like this is only for Asya. Asya is for the Ach Avarnantasya. Avarna means Akara or Akara. Among the vowels, Akara and Akara will be replaced by Ikara. So Katvi Karoti. So we understand that. Katvi Karoti. Akara becomes Katvi Karoti. So therefore, there's a mistake in the sutra. Asya Chau, this sutra for making the Akaranta Shabda into Ikara. And the next previous one was, previous one is Chaucha by the sutra, Ajanta Sangasi Dirgaha Bhavati. So this will apply. Applying this here, Sheni is Ikara becomes Ikara, Sheni Kritaha. Chaucha. Eka will become this Akaranta Shabda, therefore Eki Kritaha. Puga is Akaranta, Puhi Kritaha. Kunda, Kundi Kritaha. The Rashi is Ikara. The Dirgatam happens, Rashi Kritaha iti. So this is how it should happen. Okay. I think here the mistake. Eki Kritaha it should be. Vasu. So example, let's not give an example. Only one example is given. Ashreneha Sheni Kritaha. Ashreneha Kritaha. Okay, anyway. So we can note that. I will write. So that Eki Kritaha, similarly, Puhi Kritaha and Rashi Kritaha. So, and Vishaya also is there. Vishayi Kritaha. That which was a Vishaya, now it is Vishayi Kritaha. Like that, you have to make it. Suppose if it is if it's not Shriyanta, the Shenyadikana words must be in the sense of Shriyanta making the compound. If it is not, then you cannot make compound. You cannot make compound. You cannot make compound by this. Then what will be the compound? Sheni Kritaha. You will see that Sheni Kritaha is, it is Kugati Pradeha. By that it is Kugati Pradeha we are going to see. By that it is Mukhya Samasa. So we will see under Kugati Pradeha. So here in this sutra, the words of the Shenyadikana must be in the Chvihanta. If it is not, then it cannot be compounded by this sutra. You will get the word Shrenikritaha, but not Shrenikritaha by this sutra. So we will see in Kugati Pradeyaha. See, Kugati Pradeyaha later, after this we are going to see. So the words, if you see Kugati, for example, Kugati Pradeyaha, that's the next in fact we are going to see that. Just see what is Kushabdaha. Here also just Nitya Samasa. Example you can see. Urari Kritam, example. Dushkritam, example for Kugati Pradeyaha. So it is Nitya Samasa. So the first Shenyadeha by that sutra, Sheni Kritaha, it is Dirgatam weapon Shviyanta. It is suppose if it is not Shviyanta, then what will happen? It is Sheni, just a Sheni Kritaha. So by this sutra, Kugati Pradeyaha, it will become Sheni Kritaha. By this sutra or what sutra, will be check that. Okay. Anyway. So you can note that here the words of the Shrenyadikana must be in Shviyartha. Otherwise, it cannot be compounded by this sutra. That's what you noted. And what will happen if it is not Shviyartha? Then under which sutra it will come, that we will see when we study Kugati Pradeyaha. Okay, there we need to know other sutras. Urya, Dichi. Then that just by that sutra it will enjoy Gati Singya. Therefore, Kugati Pradeyaha, by that it will become Gati Samasa, and therefore it is Nitya Samasa. So therefore it will happen. We'll see that. And the Kugati Pradeyaha. Now this sutra says only this much. So this sutra will stop here. The next sutra is 2160. 2160 is Tena Nanj Vishishtena. Tena is Tanta Padam. Tatyagrahane Tadanta Grahanam. So Ta Pratyanta Shabda Nanj Vishishtena, that is qualifying Tena. The Tena Tanta Subantam Padam, which is Nanj Vishishta Padam, Ananj. So first let me write the sutra, then we find Upasarjanam. This sutra is 2160. Tena Nanj Vishishtena Ananj. Here, Tena is in Tritiya Vibhakti. And Nanj Vishishtena, what's one word? Nanj Vishishtena. Nanj Vishishtena, Tritiya Vibhakti, one. Ekavachanam, 3-1. Pratipadikam is Nanj Vishishtaha. It is Nanya Vishishtaha, Nanj Vishishtaha. It is Tritiya Tatpurushamasa. The compound, in this compound, the sutra, Nanj Vishishtena, Tritiya Vibhakti, and the Pratipadikam is Nanj Vishishtaha, and the compound is Nanya Vishishtaha. Nanya Vishishtaha, Nanj Vishishtaha. Tena, Nanj Vishishtena. Please understand this. The word Nanj Vishishtena. Nanj Vishishtena itself is a compound whose Pratipadikam is Nanj Vishishtaha. Nanj Vishishta. So Nanj Vishishtaha is Nanya Vishishtaha. Tritiya Tatpurusha Samasa. So Nanj Vishishtaha. Nanj Vishishtena. Tena. Svantena. Iti. Then Ananj, another word is there. Ananj. The sutra, that is, which is in Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, that is Upasarjanam. What is Ananj? Ananj is, it is Nananj. It is not just simply Nananj. Nananj will become Ananj. But Vigraha Vakya is not just simply Nananj. Nananj will become Ananj by the Sutra Nalopo Nahi, right? By Sutra, what will happen? Nalopo Nahi, remember? Tasmanun Nudachi. So in Nan Samasa we have seen. Nalopo Nahi, that Nakara will go away, therefore Akara only will be left out, therefore Ananj. That's how you get it. Remember, right? Nalopo Nahi, and Tasmanudachi.
Yeah.
So now is the Purapada. Fine. Now, here, the Vigraha Vakya here it is, because Ananj referring to a word, right? The Subantam. Samase Prathamanadishtam Upasarjanam. Therefore, here it is not just the word Ananj, literally the Ananj. So, Ananj referring to the words which are not Nanj, which are not negative, which are not Nanj, which doesn't have Nanj in that word, which doesn't have Nanj. So, therefore, it is Bhagavati compound. Therefore, the Vigraha should be Navidyate Nanj. That's how we have to understand. Navidyate Nanj, Yasmin. Yasmin Tat. That is Padam, Tat Padam, Sumantam Padam. That is called Ananj. So therefore, Ananj Subantam Padam, now the Vigraha should be like this. See the Kashika. Ananj Subantam Padam, Vishishtena, Nanj Vishishtena, Tantena Subantena Pada, Padena Saka Samasyate, Samasaka Bhavati 2160. Kashika. Nanya Yeva Visheshaha Yasya. Sarvam Anyata Prakatyadikam Tulyam, Nanj Vishishtam, Tena Nanj Vishishtena, Tantena Samanadi Karnena, Tantam, Nanj Tantam Samasyate. So here, this Tatta Nanj Vishishtam. Nanya Vishishtam, Nanj Vishishtam. That's what it says. Nanya Vishishtam, Nanj Vishishtam. Nanj Vishesha, Nanya Yeva Vishesha Yasya. Sarvam Manita Prakatyadikam Tulyam. So therefore, now, Nanya Hanang Tantam Sumantam Padam. Nanj Vishishtena Tantena Samanadikaranena Samasyate. Tat Purusha Samasaha Bhavati. So this part we can take. So that is the Vigraha. We will write in our format this Kashika. Not exactly like that. We will place the Prathama Vibhakti first. Ananj Tantam Padam. Ananj Tantam is Ananj Shabda, and Tantam is Ta Pratyanta Ta Prakritika Subantam Padam Vityartha. Ta is Nishta Pratyaya, Krit Pratyaya, therefore Ta Prakritika. Ta Prakritika Subantam Padam. Tena Nanj Vishishtena Subantena Tantena. Tanta Prakritika Subantena Padena Saka Samasyate. That we need to understand. Therefore, Nanj Tantam, Nanj Vishishtena Tantena Samanadikaranena Saka Samasyate. Tat Purusha Samasaha Bhavati. So this is the Vigraha. So we write Vigraha in a way we can understand. So Nanj Taha, Nanj Vishishtena, Tena Supasava, the Bhasha Samasyate. So Ananj is Nanjaragitam. So Nanjaragitam, without Nanj. Nanjaragitam, Tantam Sabantam Padam. Samanadi Karnena, Nanj Vishishtena, Ta Pratyante, Pratyanta, Artha Prakritika, Subantena Saha, Samasyate, Samasaka Bhavati, Avadare Samasaha. Now the example. So the first word is Ananj. Therefore it is Upasarjanam. It should be without Nanj. Should not be Nanj. So therefore, So let us take the example. Kritam. Kritam, akritam. So krita is ta pratyanta shabda. Ananj, it is not nanj. So kritam cha tat akritam cha. So kritam cha tat akritam cha. So by this sutra, kritam is and it is not nanj, ananj. And akritam is nanj. So when we compound, which one you will place first? Akritam or kritam? By this sutra, nanj, ananj must come first. So ananj is purnipata. Samase pratamānadishtam upasajanam purvam bhavati. Here ananj is pratama vibhakti. Therefore that will come first. So krita, then su will come. So padhatu pratipadikam. Look and all we know. Then krita is samasascha pratipadikam. Finally you get krita plus akrita is equal to then krita krita sandhi api bhavati krita krita. So kritam cha akritam cha krita krita. Kritam cha akritam cha krita krita. Tadvat bhuktam cha bhuktam cha bhukta bhuktam. Bhuktam cha abhuktam cha. This is only for ta pratyanta shabda. So therefore it becomes bhukta bhuktam. Bhuktam cha bhukta bhuktam. Bhutam cha bhutam cha bhuta bhutam. Bhuta bhutam.
Ranjit, there is a typo. Bhukta, bhukta.
Bhutam.
Second example, bhukta, kakara is missed out there.
Yeah. Bhukta abhukta. Yes. Now in the Kashika, let us see
Yeah,
more
also.
examples. Yeah. Yeah, corrected.
No, the bhukta is not corrected, Charanjit. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. And Kashika Kara gives more example. Pitam cha, pita pitam. And not udata, it's a mistake typo. Uditam cha, anuditam cha. Udita, anuditam. Okay. And it's also let me copy as an example for this. Pitam cha, pita pitam. Similarly, uditam cha, anuditam cha. And there's a Vartika here, Kashikara says. You can see Vartikam. Krita, kritapakritadinam upasankyanam. Bhukta vibhuktam. Pita vipitam. So he says the words. That typo is a krita. Okay, anyway. Here he says kritapakrita, the compounds kritapakrita also should be included. This is also akritikana. So kritapakrita, bhukta vibhukta, pita vipita, etc. And Shaka Prativa, another Vartikam, that is important Vartikam, we will see that. So this Vartika also can be noted. So there is a Kritapakrita, let us see the Gana, Kritapakrita, Akriti Gana, may not be there, it is also. because it's Akriti Gana. Yeah. Okay. Therefore, it is not there. So that is by Vartika we know. So that such words are also possible. So Krita Prakritam pi Asankyanam. So all these are example for that. Just to note the example, that's enough. When you come across this word in somewhere, then only it is useful. Just because this Vartikam is another Vartikam that is important. So this Vartikam is, you can note, this is number one. This is not important, that's why it's maybe not given in the Sutra Pata. These are the words. Krita, Prakritam, Bhukta, Vivaktam, Pita, whatever it is. Okay. Then here then one more thing is there in the here in Kashika. The previous one, Klishta Klishitena Vartate. Yeah. Klishta Klishitena Vartate. You can see that the word Klishta Klishtena, the intermediary argument, Nuttagama or any agama or Itagama, as in the following compounds, do not make the form similar. These are the example. Ashitena, Anashitena. Klishta Klishitena. Here, Klishdatu. The Klishdatu here with the Itagama. Klishta, Aklishta, Aklishita. Ashita, Ashitena, Anashitena. That is okay. And the Klishta is an example. One would always say Ashitena, Ashita, Anashita. Ashit. Ashitam cha, Anashitam cha, Ashita, Anashitam. Ashitam cha, Anashitam cha, Ashita, Anashitam. So here why this given is no. Not ito tad tat neighbor Vedakau. Okay. One minute. Ashitam. See, Ashita is Ta Pratyanta. Combined with Ananj, combined with Nanj. Nanj would be Ashita. Then if it is Na Ashita, it will be unwelcome, right? Na Ashita, not Anashita. It is like Amayam. Okay, another word. If you take ending beginning with the vowel. What example? Amayam you can take Amayam, Anamayam. Un will come before, right? So that is Ashitam. Ashitam cha tat Anashitam. Yeah. Ashitam, na Ashitam, Anashitam. Un only. Yes, it's Anashitam only. Ashitam, Anashitam, Ashita, Anashitam. I think it's correct. Ashita, Anashitam. I think the word we have to see Ashita, Anashita. Let me think Ashita, Anashita. Not Anashita. Association. Check. The intermediary argument that means Nutagama, etc. Nutagama or Itagava. as the following compounds do not make the forms dissimilar. So the forms are similar. Ashitena and Ashitena. This alone not clear. I will just check this. Rajivati. Klishta Klishtena is here. This is Klishta is without Itakama. Aklishta is with Itakama. So even though the agamas are there, but the forms are dissimilar forms are there, the compound can be made. That is the one thing. Klishtam cha, aklishitam cha, klishta klishitam. That is the compound. Okay, that is the compound here. Kuta plus kuta. Okay. So this is same as here. I don't think anything different. It is same as here only. Uditam cha, anuditam cha, udita, anuditam. Here, not detam, it's a mistake here. Uditam, that which is spoken, it's in the badadatu, taprataya, samprasanam happens, we know. Uditam cha, anuditam, udita, anuditam. Ashitam, eaten. Na ashitam, not eaten. So in na ashitam, anishitam. So it is there, nunj is there. Because of the nunj, there's an agama, nuttagama. That's why you get anashitam, same as anuditam. So I think this also will come under the same category here. I don't know why he has given here. Let me check this. Okay, fine. Klishta alone you take now. This I'll tell you in the next class. Klishtam cha, aklishitam cha. There it is very clear. So it is without itakama, and that then they are then also they are considered to be similar only. That doesn't make them different. The compound can be made. Okay, this is you can note. This example we can take. Klishtam cha aklishitam cha. I think what he says here that uditam, this when you form the compound uditam, and none of that we had na uditam, because na uditam, because the word is beginning with a vowel, so na uditam tasmad nut achi, you get nuttagama. Where you get nuttagama? First you apply na lopo nahi, because of that nakara goes away. Only a will be left out. A uditam. After that you get nuttagama. Nuttagama comes here. Tasma nut achi. So nut is nakara. So therefore now it will become anuditam. This is what he says. So here, because it gets nuttagama, so anuditam, therefore doesn't make this form dissimilar. So uditam cha anuditam. So these examples you can see there the words beginning with the consonant. Therefore, na krutam akrutam, na bhuktam abhuktam, na bhutam abhutam, na pitam apitam. Whereas here na uditam it is anuditam. But nuttagama is there the word. The word is anuditam. A is nanj. And nuttagama is there. Because of the nut, it doesn't make the word dissimilar. I think that is what he says. And the same way, if it is ashitam, ashita and anashita. So here also ashita and na ashita will be, because this beginning with a vowel, naloponagi first will apply akara, and because this beginning with a vowel, therefore you will get nuttagama. Nut is nakara. Therefore you will get anashita. Because of nut, this doesn't make the word dissimilar from the original. That is what he says. Okay. So ashita Ashitam cha, anashitam cha, ashita, nashitam. This is the word. This is the example he has given. Okay. So up to here, these are all the examples for the words beginning with the consonant, and these two are the words beginning with the vowel, where Nuttagama comes for the nunch form. That doesn't make the word different from, dissimilar from without nunch. That's what he says. Then Krishna Krishtam is a good example where one word is klishta, klishtam cha without itagama, and aklishtam, aklishitam, it is with itagama. So here it would be klishta, klishtam, klishta, klishitam. So this is a good example where itagama is seen. Therefore, any agama, whether it is itagama or here, as in the case it is nuttagama, or in some cases tukkagama also can come. So tukkagama, etc. So any agama, the agama doesn't make the word dissimilar. That's what he says. So the Vasu, that line, we'll take it, we'll copy. The intermediary argument, nut is an intermediary argument. When you form nunch of the words beginning with the vowel, and E is an intermediary argument, that is for itagama. So doesn't make the forms dissimilar. So those are the examples for this. For that, intermediary argument, nuttagama or itagama or any other agama, tukkagama, etc. do not make the forms dissimilar. Because the sutra says, Tena Sumantena Padam Nanj Vishishtena Ananj. So both must be the same words. One is with the Nanj and the other word is without Nanj. So not different Nanj. Kritam Abuktam, no. Kritam cha Akritam cha. Buktam cha Abuktam cha should be combined with the Nanj form of the same word. Because of the itagama, the word doesn't become different. That is what he says. Because of itagama or nuttagama. Nuttagama comes for their words beginning with the vowel. So therefore, the argument doesn't make the words dissimilar. Okay. So that is the point he is making here. And because the Kashikagara says it's a translation of the Kashika only. So nut itau. Nut is nuttagama, itau. Tad bhaktatvat naiva bedakau. Yeah, that doesn't make the bedakau means difference. Because of the nut agama or itagama, tad bhakta is component. Tad bhaktatvat naiva bedakau. Bedakau is between the nanj and ananj doesn't bring about any difference because of this agama. So I will write here Kashika, this line also. Nut itau tad bhaktatvat naiva bedakau. Tad bhaktatvat means it's a part of it. It is a part of it. Tad bhaktatvat. The words do not become dissimilar. So therefore udita and uditam also can be brought as an example here. I think that is a confusion. Why udita or uditam he has given before? This also should be cut from here and put it after here. That would be better. The Kashika, these examples fine. These words beginning with the vowel. And here, udita and uditam should be cut and placed here. That would be better. Because that word beginning with the vowel getting nuttagama by the rule tasma nudachi. Okay, so all the entire Kashika we have seen, and this is the Vartika. And another Vartika is very important. Shakapartivadinam Uttara Shakapartivadinam Upasankyanam Uttarapadalovpascha. We will see that now. Now you understand, right? This Tenananj, Vishishtena Ananj. There's one example which was placed before that was, in fact, it's also should not be confused. Anyway, it's fine. He has just given the examples for the words. And if it Nuttagama or Itagama or whatever Agama comes, then also it doesn't make the words different. That's what he says. Note it out. Okay. Then the next important Vartika is Shaka Parthivadina. Copy from our Sutrapata. Shaka Parthivadina Siddhaye. Shaka Parthivadina Siddhaye. Uttarapada. First I will explain this and then we will see example. Uttarapada Lopasya Upasankyanam. This Vartika, and here you can note, this is Akriti Gana. Akriti Ganahaya. And second Vartika to this Tel and Vichishthena Anuj. Here, we'll see. We'll see with the example. We'll start with the example so that you will understand clearly. Take Shaka Pradhana Parthivaha. Take this example. Shaka Pradhana or Shaka Priya. Anyone, anything you can take. Shaka Parthivaha or Shaka Pradhanaha. Shaka Pradhanaha Parthivaha is a Kashikakara says Shaka Pradhana Parthivaha. We can say Shaka Pradhana or Shaka Boji. This is Mahavashikara says Shaka Boji Parthivaha. Or Shaka Priya Priyaha Parthivaha. Different Vigraha Vakyas are given for the compound Shaka Parthiva. Shaka Pradhana Parthivaha becomes Shaka Parthivaha. Shaka Parthiva is the Samasa, for which the Vigraha is Shaka Pradhana Parthivaha, Shaka Bhoji, Shaka Priya. Anything you can say, it's not a problem. Oh, let us take. So Shaka Parthivaha, Shaka Bhoji, Shaka Pradhana, whatever it is. Shaka Priya is, Shaka Priya itself is a compound. So let me take this Shaka Priya. Shaka Priya Parthiva. Parthiva is the king. Parthiva is the king. Shaka Priya Parthivaha, the compound will be Shaka Parthivaha. How become Shaka Parthiva? What happened to the word Priya? The Priya, the word, is a compound. It is compounded. It is the word Uttarapada, and it is part of the compound, the Shaka Priyaha. So this compound has got two compounds. Shaka Parthivaha has got two compounds. It has got compound Shaka Priyaha. Shakanam Priyaha, Shaka Priyaha. Shakanam Priyaha, Shaka Priyaha. The one who loves Shaka, the vegetables, is called Shaka Priyaha. So Shakanam Priyaha, Shaka Priyaha. And Shaka Priyaha, the word combining with the Parthivaha, then what will happen? Uttarapadasya lopaha bhavati. Uttarapada of the first compound. Or we can say Madhyama Pada Lopi. Madhyama Pada. This is Shaka is one word, Priya is the second one, and Parthiva is the third one. Then Madhyama Pada. This Samasa is also called Madhyama Pada Lopi Samasa. The Madhyama Pada, Priyaha becomes Lopaha. Or Uttarapada, we can say. Uttarapada means not Parthiva. Uttarapada of the Purva Samasa, the first compound, Uttarapada Lopasya Upasankyanam. Uttarapadalopasya Upasankyanam. So the three words are there. First two words will combine. Shakanam Priya, Shaka Priya. Then Shaka Priya, the word combined with Samanadikaranam Sabantena Saga Samasyate. So this Shaka Priya combined with Parthivaha Samanadikaranam Sabantam Padam Padena Samasyate Karmadareha Bhavati. So now once it becomes Karmadareha, Tad Antargata Uttarapadasya Lopaha Bhavati. Now Shaka and Priya. Shaka and Priya, you can take it as Bhaguriki Samasa, not Shakanam, not Shakanam Priyaha. Not Shakanam Priyaha. You can say Shakanam Priyaha also. But anyway, if you take Bhaguriki, Shakaha Priyaha Yasya Saka, referring to the person. That is better. Bhaguriki Samasa. Aneka Manya Padate, by that compound, Shaka Priyaha is, Shaka is it's a Bhaguriki Samasa. Right? The Bhaguriki Samasa, Shakam, Shakaha Priyaha, Yasya Saha. Shaka, the vegetable, is loved by whom? That person is called Shaka Priyaha. So Shaka Priyaha is the Bhaguriki Samasa. Now that combines with Samanadikaram Sabantam Padam, Parthivaha. Parthiva means like is King Raja, Parthiva, or maybe a person's name, whatever it is. Shaka Priyaha, Parthiva. Now, when you make this compound, Uttarapada of the Antargata Samasa will become Lopaha by this Vartika, Shaka Parthivadinam Siddhige, Uttarapada Lopasya Upasankyanam. Because the Uttarapada becomes Lopa, the whole form is Shaka Parthiva. And Priya is, this compound is loosely called Madhyama Pada Lopi Samasa because this is Madhyama Pada. In fact, this is not Madhyama Pada. This Padam is a part of the Purva, Antargata, Purva Samasa. Purva means Antargata Samasa. The compound, the part of the first compound. Shakaha Priyaha. So Tasya Antargata Samasasya Purva Padasya Lopaha Bhavati. Sorry, Uttara Padasya Lopaha Bhavati. Priyaha is Uttara Pada. So therefore, Shaka Parthivaha iti. So Shaka Parthivaha is now Visheshanam. And Parthivaha Visheshya. So Visheshanam Shaka Parthiva, Visheshya Parthiva, Visheshanam Shaka Priyaha, Vishesham Parthiva Shabdera Saga Samasyate Samasaha Bhavati. That is why it comes under Karmadaraya. And the Antargata Samasa can be either Bhaguriki or any compound. That is not a problem. It can be anything. In this case, you can take it as a Bhaguriki. Shakaha Priyaha Yasya Saha. First we make that compound. Therefore, the compound has to be made because we are making the three words into one compound. Therefore, this Antargata Samasa, it becomes Samasa, you have to do Samasa. So it becomes, the Samasa becomes mandatory. So Shakaha Priyaha Yasya Saha, that is the first compound. Shakaha Priyaha Yasya Saha is the first compound. By that we get Shaka Priyaha. Now Shaka Priyaha is in Samanadikaranam with Samanadikaranena Subantena Samasyate, and Shaka Priyaha is a Visheshanam. It's a qualifier. Qualified is Parthiva. And now by the current sutra, Visheshanam, Visheshena Bagulam. So these two words can be combined. Combining that, it should become Shaka Priya Parthiva. Then what happens? The Priya, the Uttarapada of the Antargata Samasa will become Lopaha. Lopam Krutva, Shaka Parthiva. Then you can add Su, Shaka Parthivaha iti. The forms. And this itself is called by the name Shaka Parthivadinam. Siddhige, Uttarapada, Lopasya Upasankyanam. Uttarapada of the Antargata Samasa. Antargata Samasa, and the Samasa is before the word, before the last word, because that word is the Samanadhikarana word with the compounded word, so that they are going to combine. Therefore, Uttarapada means don't take the Uttarapada of the final samasa. Uttarapada of the Antargata samasa. Understand? So, Uttarapada of the Antargata Uttarapada samasasya lopaha bhavati. Antargata samasasya Uttarapadam lopaha bhavati. That is Uttarapada lopasya upasankyanam. This is samasa is loosely called Madhyama Pada Lopi samasa. Madhyama Pada Lopi. You can call it is, nothing wrong in that. But it is not Madhyama Pada. There is no Madhyama Pada under. Only Purva Pada, Uttara Pada. Only two words can be compounded at a time. Either it can be Purva Padam, it is called Purva Padam, Uttara Padam. There is no Madhyama Pada. And here, as though three words are the Shaka and Priya and Parthiva, the middle word is Priya, therefore that becomes Lopaha. And it is said Madhyama Pada Lopi Samasa loosely. So you will find this the name in Samskrita Bharati and other books you will see. We also use Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa. Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa we say. Madhyama Pada Lopi. Now, this Vartika, then this, there are many interesting examples under this. This is a Vartika, therefore, any word you come across, you can, if it's Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa, then you can check here. So in the Bhashya Mandal, we come across words like that. So now let us take another word. Deva Pujakaha. Deva Pujakaha means, see, Devanam Pujakaha, one just we can do. Devanam Pujakaha. Shaka Parthiva, suppose Shaka Parthiva, not Shakanam Parthiva. Here there is no meaning. Shakanam Parthiva he cannot say. There is some word is missing in between. That is the Madhyama Pada. What is that? Priyaha. Shakaha, Priyaha, Yasya Saha, Shaka Priyaha, that combined with Parthiva. So, similarly here, Deva Pujakaha, not Deva Pujakaha, Deva Brahmanaha. Okay. Deva Brahmanaha. Devaha is Deva, the god, Brahmana. What is the jati among the Deva? See, only Manushya only have this jati, Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. In fact, that jati, it is required in one way, because Varnashrama Vyavastha. That's what Bhagavan says, Chaturvanya Maya Srishtam, Gunakarma Vibhagashaha. That Vyavastha, that Ashrama Vyavastha is there. Anyway, so here among Deva there is no jati, Brahmana jati. Now Deva Brahmanaha, Devascha also Brahmanaha, that Vigraha you cannot give. Yatha Shaka and Parthiva has got no meaning. Shaka Parthiva, the compound. Shakascha also Parthiva, there is no connection. Shaka meaning vegetable, Parthiva is the king. So very Deva is the Lord and Brahmana is Manushyaha. Deva Brahmanaha is, what does it mean? So that we give the Vigraha Vakya, Deva Pujakaha Brahmanaha. Devanam Pujakaha. You can see here the Shashti Tat Purushamasa. So Devanam Pujakaha. Devanam Pujakaha is the worshipper of the Devas. And Deva Pujakaha Ascha, so Brahmanaha is a worshipper of the Devas and he is a Brahmana. So Deva Pujaka Brahmana and Pujaka is Madhyama Pada, or it can take Uttara Pada of the Antargata Samasa. By this Vartika, Uttara Padasya, Lopaka Bhavati. So Lopam Kurtva, you get Deva Brahmanaha. So Deva Brahmanaha is Deva Pujaka Brahmanaha, Deva Brahmanaha. And Shaka Parthiva is a Akritigana. Therefore, there is no list. Any words where you find the Madhyama Pada or the Uttara Pada becoming Lopa. Uttara Pada of the Antargata Samasa or Madhyama Pada, if you take the compound to be as three words, made of three words. The first two words are compounded and the compound is the second word, and that should be a karmadharya. And that's important. See, the first two words are compounded, and it can be any compound. It can be Bhagavadigi or Tatpurusha, whatever it is. And the second compound, what you form, that must be karmadharya. That is why this Vartika under this section. So, karmadharya samasa. So, Deva Pujakaha, Brahmanaha, these they combine now. And by this Vartika, Pujaka will go away. And the Shaka Parthivadi, it's a Gana, it's an Akriti Gana. You will not see. You will not see in the website, in the Gana Pata. I don't think you will see that because it's an Akriti Gana. Let me check Shaka Parthi. Oh, it is there. Sorry. We can see that Shaka Parthi. It is given. It's an Akriti Gana. Only few are given here, but we can see more examples. Shaka Parthi is the very first example. Kutapo Shuta, Ajataul Vali. All these are example given here. And Putaputika, etc. Okay. So we will see some more examples on this. Just, Deva Brahmanaha and Kutupa. Not, it is Kutupa, not Kutapa. It's a typo, I think. Kutupa. Kutupa Vasa Saushutaha. Kutupa Vasa Saushutaha. I think it's the typing mistake. 1 minute. I'm sure. Kutupa Vasa. Meaning is Kutupa Vasa. Kutapasau, not Kutapasau. Anyway, I'll check this. It should be Kutupasau. Let me check the example here. Ajat Taul Vali. Ajat Taul Vali is a name of the person. Okay, Ita Patra Taul Vali. Aja means goat. So Ajat Taul Vali means it is Aja Panyaha Taul Vali. That is the seller of the cow. Ajat Taunyaha, the seller, and he is a Taul Vali. Similarly, Kutapa, that meaning I will check in later tell you. So here it is Aja Panyaha. Aja Panyaha is that goats, the one who is sells cows. Aja Panyaha. It says Aja Panyaha is seller of the cows, and he is Taul Vali. So Aja Panyaha Taul Vali. That is the Aja Taul Vali. The Panya, the word Uttarapada, that becomes Lopaha.
Taulvali.
Sorry?
Taulvali, what is
It's the name of the person.
Okay.
The name. Yeah, certain things are very, it's a noun, specific name. It's a name of the person.
Okay.
It's not a general noun, it is the name of the person. Parthiva also. Parthiva, you can take it as a king or it may be referring to the person. Shaka Parthiva.
Okay.
So Taulvali is the name of the person. So Aja Panyaha Taulvali. Aja Panyaha is Ajanam Panyaha. Panya, the word I think we have seen. You know, Panya.
Selling.
Yeah, Panya is selling. No, the word, the dhatu is Panibhyaha. In one sutra we have seen, remember? In 3.1 section. In fact, we chant that also. Panihaya Bhyaha Ayaha. What is that? Yeah. Dupa Vichi Panibhya Ayaha. Remember, 3.120 28. That the word Pani was there. So Panyaha means that is the sale. Pan plus I think yat pratyaya. Yat
Yeah.
pratyaya. So sale, that which is can be sold as that is panyaha, trade. So trade here panyaha, ajapanyaha referring to the trader of the cows, and he is Taulvali, right? So it's the name of the person. So ajapanya Taulvalihi becomes aja Taulvalihi. Otherwise, you cannot understand this compound if you don't supply the word in between. You have to supply the word. That's all depending on the context. Ajab here it is Panya is a trade person. It's a trader of cows. Therefore, Panya, the word is hidden. Another good example. Chaya Taruhu. What is Chaya Taruhu? Taru is Vrikshaha. There are Akritikana, therefore we can add any number of words. In fact, we know many words. We use the language, but we don't know whether it is Shaka Parthiva Samasa. Chaya Taruhu. Because we discussed here, therefore, there must be Uttarapada. There must be Uttarapada, or we can use the word Madhyamapada. There must be Madhyamapada. The Madhyamapada has become Lopa here. What is a Madhyamapada? We have to supply. Appropriately, we have to supply. So, Taru Viksha and Chaya. So, Chaya Pradhana Taruhu, we can say. Chaya Pradhanaha Taruhu. The Taru, the Vriksha, which is Chaya Pradhana Taruhu. In fact, there is one Subhashitam. Purvanecha Paranecha. Talam Yasya Namunchati. Atyanta Shita Lachaya Sat Chaya Taru Uchate. Purvane and Parane, the afternoon and forenoon, that it doesn't move its place. Right? It remains in the same place and it is Atyanta Shilam Yachati. Atyanta Shitala Chaya. Atyanta Shitala Chaya Sat Taruhu Chaya Taruhu iti Uchate. So Chaya Taru, Chaya Pradhana Taruhu. So banyan tree, etc. They are Chaya Pradhana Charuhu. And another example, Ashwarataha. Ashwarataha means Ashwarataha. The Ratha which is yoked with Ashwa, right? Because there are Ratha which are yoked with buffaloes, other beings. Here, this Ratha is Ashwarataha. Therefore, Ashwa Yukta Rataha. Ashvena Yuktaha Ashwarataha, that is Tritiya Tat Purusha Samasa. Similarly, here also, Chaya Pradhana is Chaya is the Pradhana. Chaya Pradhanaha. Chaya is a Pradhana of that Vriksha. So, Chaya Pradhanaha Yasya Saha Chaya Pradhanaha, you can say Bhuri compound. Here Ashva Yukta Prataha is Ashvena Yuktaha Ashva Yuktaha Yuktaha, the Madhyamapada becoming Lopa. You can use the word Madhyamapada because we commonly say it in Sanskrit Bharati books and all is given, and they use also Madhyamapada. In fact, in the classes we use this word Madhyamapada. But there's some objection. Some say no, Madhyamapada means you may think the compound, the middle word is become Lopaha. It's strictly it is Uttarapada of the first compound. But we can use it. I'm also comfortable using Madhyamapada. The Madhyamapada Lopi Samasa, that's a habit. So Madhyamapada, that is Yukta becomes Lopaha. Yukta is not compounded with the Rata. Yukta compounded, it is with the Ashwa. Ashvena Yuktaha, Ashva Yuktaha Cha Aso Rataha, that is Karmadare Samasa. All are Karmadarea. Chaya Pradhanaha Cha Aso Taruhu, Chaya Taruhu. So Pradhana goes away, here Yukta goes away. So similarly, Parnashala. What is Parnashala? Shala is the place which is constructed. Patashala or Pakashala, whatever, Yagashala, suppose Yagashala, constructed with Parna meaning leaves, right? So therefore, what could be the middle word then? We can supply. See, there is no rule. This is the word you have to supply. You can think of appropriate word and you can give. And it is Karmadhara. Huh? Parna?
Parnayukta Shala only.
You can say Parnayukta, nothing wrong. You can say Parnayukta Shala. Because Shala, Srilinga, right? So Parnayukta Cha, so Shala, Parnayukta Shala, but Yukta, in front of Yukta, it is, you can say, the Shala is constructed with the Parna,
Yeah.
right? So therefore, another word you can think, what is it?
Parnarachita Shala.
Parnarachita Shada, it is made. Or Parna Nirmita Shala, you can say, right? Nirmita, constructor.
Yeah.
Parna Nirmita Shala. Any other word you can do. What is the word for construction or made? Nirmita, that's why I use the word Nirmita. It is made, it is constructed with the Parna. Any other word if you can think of, you can use it if it is appropriate. Right? Parna Rachita, Parna Nirmita, or it is, what is it? It is, Shala is,
Parnanvita Shala.
With Parna.
Radhali Yukta you said, right?
Yeah.
Yukta, same meaning.
Can say filled with also.
You can say Shala is filled with the Parna. That all depends on the context, okay. But here the Shala is made of Parna. Okay.
Yeah.
Now Parna Nimita Shala is better. You can use Parna Rachita Shala also, it's very good. Same meaning. Okay. Tilodakam, another. We use Tilodakam. Where in the Tarpana, you say Tilodakam. Tilodakam, Tarpaya, Tilodakam, we offer. Tilodakam. That is, Udaka is
Water.
water. That is what in the Tarpana, it is done, right? Udakam, not just Udakam. Buddha with Karma. Along with the Tila. What is then? What could be the middle word then? Cha, Asau, Udakam, right? So Karmadhari Samasa. What should be the middle word then?
Tilayukta Udaka.
Yeah, Tila Yukta. Tila Yuktam. Tila Yuktam Udakam. Or Tila Mishrutam, you can say, right? Mixed
Yeah.
with. Tila Mishrutam. Mishrutam Udakam. Tila Yuktam. Or Tilanvitam Udakam. Or okay. Your choice. You can use any word. There is no rule. This is a word should be used. It should be meaningful. Right? Tilodakam. And you know this. Ekadasha. What is Ekadasha?
11.
Ah,
Rudra, no?
no, that's okay. Ekadasha number 11.
Yeah.
Dasha is there. What is Ek? Then Eka is what is the middle one? Just number 11 only, not Rudra. Just we are taking just the meaning. Numeral 11.
Adhikam.
Yeah, what is that? Very good. Huh?
Adhikam. Ekam
Adhika.
adhikam.
Ekam adhikam. 1 plus 10, right? 10 plus 1. Not 1 plus. 10 plus 1. Ekadhika. Eka adhikaha dasha. Right? Dasha is, anyway, Dasha is all Linga. Ekadik, here you can see Ekadika, A plus A is Dirga, sorry, Dirga Sandhi. Ekadikaha cha aso Dasha. Dasha is Pullinga, Srilinga, Napumsakalinga. All same form only. Okay, Dasha. Here Visarga is there, Visarga not there. Don't think this is typo. Here Dasha is, it's a Padam. Ekadikaha is a Padam. So Ekadikaha cha aso Dasha, Ekadasha, you get. Compound. Ekadasha, Dvadasha, Trayodasha, Chaturdasha. All these are Karmadhara compound. Madhyama Pada Lopi Samasa. Right? Do you know it before? Ekadasha, Dvadasha, we used to. All are Karmadhara Samasa only. Good example. Right? And another example, very good. We say Parashuramaha. What compound is that? Rama, the name of the person. See, this is compound. We know this is the whole thing referred to the person. It's a name, Ramaha. And what is the Parashu doing then? We have Godanda Rama, Kodanda Rama is there, Parashurama is there. What is the difference between these two Ramas?
Ma is holding the parashu.
So one who is wielding Parashu is Parashurama. One who is wielding Kodanda is Kodanda Rama, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, Parashu Prahana, Praharanaha, Praharanaha Ramaha is wielding Parashu, it's called Parashuramaha. Or Kodanda Rama. Kodanda is the Kodandam. Kodanda Praharanaha Ramaha, Kodanda Ramaha. Right? Praharanam means he's striking with the Parashu. He's striking with the arrow, bow and arrow. Right? And Dadhyanam, Dadhyanam. Dadhyana Sakta Hridaya comes in where? Dadhyana Sakta Hridaya Kakini Rupadharini. So Dadhyana Asakta, she loves. What is Dadhyanam? Dadi is good. Annam, Samadana is Samasa, Uttarapada is Annam, Purapadam is Dadi, Dadi Mishrita, you can say. Dadi Mishrita. Taisadam, Dadi Mishritam, Annam, right? Dadi Mishritam. Dadi Mishritam, or they can say Dadi Upasiktam. Dadi Upasiktam. Dadi Upasiktam. Upasiktam is sprinkled with. Right? Dadyannam or Dadya, Dadi, Dadyodanaha. Odana, Annam are the same only. Okay, Dadyanam is comes in Lita Saham. Dadyodanaha. Odana is the same thing. Dadi Mishritaha or Dadi Upasiktaha. Odanaha. Odanaha Pullinga. That's the only thing. Otherwise, it's same. Odanaha. It is Odanaha Pullinga, therefore, Dadi Mishritaha Odanaha. So, all this Chitranaha, all Mishrita. Tenga Sadam, Mulin Jadam, all are Mishrita Anna, right? So, Mishritaha Annaha, Odanaha, there. And another, Shaka Mrigaha. Who is called Shaka Mriga?
Sasyahari.
Huh? No, not in, this is not in Lalita Sahasranam. Okay.
No.
Herbivorous animal.
Vegetarian animal.
No. Shaka is branch. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Who can jump?
Shaka.
Yeah. Who is that? What is the animal?
Lives in the branch. Okay,
Squirrel,
monkey.
squirrel, no, that.
Monkeys jump.
Monkey.
Monkey can say.
Hanuman's there.
Shaka Mriga, I think it comes somewhere. Ramayana somewhere.
Squirrel, no, Sharanji.
Squirrel.
Ramayana,
But the jump will not be visibly seen.
No. Squirrel also. Why not? Squirrel. The one can say squirrel also. Shaka Mriga. That is, it uses Shaka to jump, right? It uses Shaka to jump. Therefore, you can say Shaka Mriga is Shaka Prasaktaha Mrigaha Shaka Mrigaha. Can we call squirrel Mriga? I don't know. We had, it's a comes under Mriga only. Pashu, Pakshi. You can say Shaka Mriga. Shaka Prasaktaha Mrigaha Shaka Mrigaha.
in the dictionary, squirrel and as well as monkey also.
Monkey also given, yeah, squirrel, monkey. So, Shaka Mriga, it's a name of the animal. So, you can say Vanaraha or squirrel, Shaka Mriga. In fact, Shaka Mriga, we say, it's a Rudy we take to be squirrel. That is why you're saying it. Yeah. Ekadasha. Okay, sorry. Yeah, Dwadasha. Okay, what is Dwadasha?
12.
Dvi Adhika. Therefore, Dvi Adhika become Dvayadikaha Dashaha. Dasha, not Dashaha, Dasha. Dvi Adhika Dasha. And you remember our sutra, Al-Vidihi. Al-Vidihi, where is there? In first chapter. Once upon a time we saw long, very long back. Stanivat Bhavaha Anal Vido and all we saw. This is a sutra example.
Paribhasha Sutra.
It is a, it's a Stanivat Bhavaha Sutra. Stanivat Bhavaha, in the first chapter itself. I think we saw elaborately in the basic, no, not basic, in the beginning of the Ashtadhyaya, I have seen. You remember Stani, the Sutra? I will show you the Sutra.
Yes.
Stanivat Adesha Hanal Vido, Vachak Paraspin Puru Vido. These two Sutra, important Sutra.
Yes.
Stanivat Adesha will be Stanivat. If it is not, there is no any Alvidi for this. Alvidi happening. Achak Paraspin Puru Vido, the Sutra, in fact, we use it for 10th Gana. Churadi Gana. So here, Anal Vidi or Alvidi, this is what I am taking. Anal Vidi is Nanj of Alvidi. Na Alvidi, Anal Vidi. Anal Vido is there. So what is Alvidi then? If you remember, we have seen this is a Alvidi, the compound. We gave 4 types of compound. in the discussion there, Alaha Vidihi, Ala Vidihi, and Ala Vidihi Tritiya, Alaha Vidihi, and Alaha Vidihi. One more time, there is 5-1 and 6-1, and 7-1 is Ali Vidihi. I think this is compound can be Tritiya Tatpurusha or Panchami or Shashti, because Alaha is here. Both are same. Don't think it is same. It's different. This is Panchami Tatpurusha, Shashti Tatpurusha, Ali Vidihi Saptami. In that Stanivat Adesha Anal Vida we have seen. In the beginning of the Ashtadhyayi. The Subanta and all we have seen that time. Maybe we will see later in case you don't remember. Now, what is Al-Vidhi? Al is not a Vidhi. So it's referring to Al-Ashraya Vidhi. Al-Ashrayaha Vidhi. That Vidhi is called Al-Vidhi. So Ashraya is a Madhyamapad. That it becomes Al-Ashraya Vidhi. Okay, Ashraya is a Madhyamapad. And another example. Singhasanam. What is Singhasanam? It's a line is Asanam. Singhasanam is, could be line, could be Asanam for Durga. Huh? Singha Asanam. Singha is Tat Asanam.
Okay.
That is for the Singha, that is Singhasanam. Line is Asanam for Durga. Now we say Singhasanam is Raja occupied Singhasanam, the chair. Chair is not Singha, right?
Crown we can take, no? No, not crown.
That is, it is Simha Upalakshitam, it is. Right? It is not really Simha. It is Simha Upalakshitam Asanam, it is. Simha Upalakshitam Asanam, Singhasanam, it is. That is our, it's an authority, right? It is Upalakshita. Singha means lion. Lion means the king of the forest. Therefore, it's Upalakshita. That place has got that value, Upalakshita. That asana has got that place, the asana. Therefore, Singha Upalakshitam Asanam it is. Singhasanam. Right? Similarly, another example. Trilokaha. And whenever we come across the Samasa, Madhyapadala Samasa in Bhashim or Gita, we have to note it. This. They're all very interesting. Sometimes I also struggle when we do the Samasa, then suddenly idea comes, oh, this could be a Madhyapadala Samasa. Then it fits in very well there. So Samasa comes only by practice. I am, in Tamil you say, I am Perakonada Vaidyan, Aravedyan. Similarly, Samasa, if you only when you resolve at least 1 lakh Samasa, then only you will become master in Samasa. How many Samasas? 1 lakh. So you should do more and more the Samasa, then only you can have mastery on this topic. Anyway, it's a growing one. I also grow, sometimes struggle, and you may not get the answer immediately. Suddenly the answer comes. Oh, it could be the Samasa. The Madhyapada Samasa, many times it happens. When you cannot resolve the Samasa by any other, any sutra, any other way, then if you think of Madhyapada, suddenly it may fit in. Many times it has happened. It could be Madhyapada Samasa. That is why it's open. So, Trilokaha. What is Trilokaha? It can take it to three Avayavaha Lokaha. 3 Avayavaha. 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha it is. Trilokaha. That is the Loka, which is a part of the Trilokaha. Trilokanataha. Trilokanataha. The word is the Trilokasya Nataha, Trilokanataha. It is Trilokasya Nataha, Trilokanataha, Shashti Tat Purusha. Or, see, depending on the context, not all Trilokas are Madhyapada Lopa. Trilokasya Nataha, Trayana Lokanam Samaharaha, Triloki. That is different. Okay. That is different. That is collection. That, see, your Vivaksha is different. You want to collectively present, then it becomes Triloki. That is different. Trilokaha could be, as I said, Trilokasya Nataha. Trilokasya Nataha, Trilokanataha. Here it is Shashti Tat Purusha, Trilokasya. Triloka, the word is Madhyapada Lopa Samasa. 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha. Tasya Nataha, Trilokanataha. Trilokanataha comes in some shlokam also. Trilokanataha. So, what is Trilokaha is 3 Avayavaha. 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha. 3 is 3. Avayavaha is parts. That which has 3 parts, right? Or the Loka, 3 Avayavaha Lokaha. The parts, the 3 parts, and that is a Loka. Trilokaha. Combination of 3 Lokas. That's why combination means you get the Samahara meaning. Triloki. It's not combination. Lokas are there, and the 3 and I just got 3 Avayava, 3 parts. Therefore, each part is a Loka, therefore 3 Loka. 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha. Okay. Trayanam Lokaram Samaharaha Triloki. And Triloki then Nataha. That is, instead of doing that, Trilokaha, if you take it as Madhyapada Lopa Samasa, then Trilokasya Nataha, that is better, right? You can say Samahara Danda, Trayanam Lokanam Samahara Triloki, then Triloki is Trilinga, and you know the Triloki is you get goes to Yopasajanasya Loka and becomes Loki, I think. Then Triloki, then Triloki, then you have to make the compound Triloki plus Nataha. But anyway, this is better. Three Avayavaha Lokaha Trilokaha, Trilokasinataha, Trilokanataha. So if you have the compound Trilokanataha, Trilokasinataha, Trilokanataha, and here three loka itself is a Padmapada Lopa Samasa. Avayava, the word is three Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokanataha. So like that we get stuck somewhere. So that is why this Madhyapada is better here. Okay. Do you remember Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha? What is the word? Is it Dirgha or Rasva?
Dirgha, Triloki.
Trayanam Triloki Sanchari, Narada and we saw Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha. Right. So Dirgha Samasa, right? Yeah, it is Samahara. Recently we saw, no? Dirgha Samasa.
Yeah.
Drigu, and it is becomes Napumsakalinga. Drigu become Napumsakalinga. Okay, 1 minute. We'll see just the sutras before here. Under the Dik Sankhya Sangyayam, that one there only we saw, because this is Dik is number, right? Sankhya, number. Ita Panchanam Patranam Samaharaha, Panchapatram, etc. Similarly, this Trayanam Bhuvananam Samaharaha. Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha. Trilokam or Triloki? I was just thinking. Triloki. Because Dvigoga by that Ni Pratyaya is added, I think. Don't remember. We saw that. Panchanam Patranam Samaharaha, Panchapatram. Trayanam Navam Samaharaha. Yeah, Pancharajam, Pancharaji.
Like Ashtadhyayi we have seen.
Ashtaram Adhyayam Samaharaha.
There Neep Pratyaya is added.
Yeah, Ni Pratyaya is added by the Sutra. What Sutra? Just a minute, let me check that. Ni Pratyaya by Dvigogo. Under Dvigo only we have seen. Just a minute, let me. Dvigo, Dvivachanavachi, Dviguscha, not this one. Dvigogo. What is the Dvigogo? Dvigo Samasa Nirmitat, Rasva Akarantat, Padipatika Stittam Jota Yutam Ni Pratyaya. This is the one, right? Yeah. Triloka plus E, I think. Therefore, you get Triloki. And one Vartikam, I think we have seen, I don't know whether it is here. Akarantat Uttarapadaha, Dvigogo Striyam, Bhashate iti Vaktavyam. We see here. Akarantat Uttarapadaha. So, Trayanam, that's three, and Trayanam Lokanam. So, Traya Akaranta Akarantat Uttarapadaha and Dviguhu Striyam Bhashate. It will be Strilinga. That's why Ashtanam Adhyayanam Samahara Ashtadhyayi Strilinga. Whereas Panchanam Patranam Samaharaha, yeah, it is Pancha Akarantat Uttarapada. It is not Akarant, it is not Akaranta, it is Nakaranta. Panchanam Patranam, Panchapatram. And Uttarapada. And here is Akaranta Uttarapadaha Drigu. So Uttarapada Drigu Uttarapada ending with Akaranta. Uttarapada ending with Akaranta. Panchanam Patranam. There, Patra is also ending with Akaranta. Pancha Patra we say. To recall, okay, I have to go back and see the sutra. I forgot. Anyway, this I think by this sutra, Ngi Pratyaya is added. That is why Triloka you get, and then you get Triloki. Triloka plus E, Triloki. Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha. Triloki, Panchanam Pulanam Samaharaha, Panchapuli, and all we saw. Ashtanam Madhyana Samahara, Ashtadhyagi.
Sir, in Samahara Dviguhu, the or example is Triloki. They have given
Yeah,
Strilinga.
Triloki, that's what we have seen. Yeah, that's what there we saw. I don't recall. Yeah, here it is there. Ekasya Shatanam Shlokanam Samahara, Shatashloki. Panchamuri, Triloki, here it is. Triyanam Lokanam Samaharaha, 3. You see my screen, right?
Yes, ji.
Yeah, Triloki. 3 Loka and Ni Pratyaya is added. Ni Pratyaya by that Sutra. We go in 4-1 section, Shilinga Pratyaya. Triloki you get. Panchanam Purushanam Samahara, Panchapurushi. Panchanam Polanam Samahara, Panchapuli. Yeah. This is the Sutra. Yeah. Sanyakat Pratipadika Striyam Ni Pratyaya Bhavati. Akaranta Uttarapada. The Dvigu ending with Akaranta Uttarapada will get feminine gender. The Dvigu compound ending with Akaranta. Shabda. Akaranta Uttarapada will get a Ni Pratyaya. This is, I think, Vita. This is a compound by that Triloki, etc. All these words comes. Sahasrabdi, Panchavati, etc. What about Trayanam, Palanam, Samaharaha? Here, Nip should come, but we have this sutra. Ajadeta stop. By this sutra, Ajadhyane etayoho granam krutta etabhyam tap pratavya vidyate. Therefore, Panchapatra, you get Panchapatram. Here, top only will come. Tripala, all these things we have seen. And Trayanam, the Panchanam Patram Samahara, it is Samahara Dvandva is Napumsakam, therefore Panchapatram it comes. Panchapatram is Napumsakalinga. Right? Vigogo Ekavachanam, that Ekavachanam that should be Napumsakalinga, Sanapumsakam, therefore Panchapatram Samahara, Panchapatram comes. Sanapumsakam. But this Akaranta Uttarapada is an Apavada to Sanapumsakam. It will be Srilinga. If Uttarapada is Akaranta, then it will be Akaranta Uttarapadoho Vigogo Striyam Ishtaha. Iti. Ni Pratyaha Bhavati. I think this is what we saw. Anyway, Triloki, referring to Trayanam Lokanam Samaharaha. That is Samahara Dandva. Trayanam, Trayaha 3, Trayaha, the 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha. That is another compound. The Loka which has 3 Avayavaha, which has 3 parts. It's called Trilokaha. It's all possible, okay. So Trilokanatha, we can give the Vigraha Vakya by 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha, Trilokasya Nataha, Trilokanataha. Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa. Or if it is Srilinga here, then Trilokyaha Nataha, but I don't see that Vigraha Vakya given like that. Triloki is Srilinga Shabda. So Trilokyaha Nataha you have to say. But Trilokasya Nataha only you see. Generally Vigraha Vakya given like that. Trilokasya Nataha, Trilokanataha. If it is Trilokanataha, then that it is not Samahara Dvandva. The 3 Avayavaha Lokaha, it is Madhyama Pada Lopa Samasa. Vigraha Vakya is given like that. I'm not saying this is should not be given like that, but I have not seen. Trilokasyaha Nataha, Trilokanataha, you can say.
Bahuvachana Trilok.
See, the problem here is, suppose, okay, this is interesting here. Suppose if it is Trilokyaha Nataha, if you say, you see, it's interesting suddenly. If you, what is it? Lokika Vigraha, Triloki plus
Shashti Tatpurusha Samasa, that is us. Ngas will come. Okay.
Then this is Nasa, us will come, then Nataha. Nataha, Nata plus Su.
Su.
So, Trilokyaha Nata, Trilokinataha. Is there even Trilokinataha? No, Trilokanataha only is there, not Trilokinataha. You will not see this. Trilokinataha.
Yeah.
We have never heard, right? Trilokinataha, we heard. Why compound we cannot form, we cannot ask. Okay, for the existing compound only, we can give interpretation. Compounds, many compounds, simple compounds we use. Other compounds and all, we Shishta Prayaha, whatever Shishta is there, that we explain by the rules. Trilokinataha is any such usage, I have not seen. Trilokanataha only is that. If it is Trilokanataha, then you have to give explanation how the word has come. For that, the explanation is Tri Avayava Lokaha, Trilokaha, Trilokasinataha, Trilokanataha. That is better. That is the explanation. Okay. Anyway, that's why Samasa is always subject to growth. We have to keep on adding. Okay, I think we will stop here. Think of this. Therefore, it is Trilokanataha, not Trilokinataha. Trilokinataha is there. Yeah, we have to check. I'll check. I have not come across any such word, Trilokinataha. So, Tri Avayavaha Lokaha, Trilokaha. Okay, if you have any other example, we can add next class. So, this is Shaka Parthiva. The Shaka Parthiva is simple. After forming the compound, then that word combines with another word, Samanadikana Samanta word, Karmadharya is formed. So the whole compound is Karmadharya. Inside the compound, Antargata Samasa is there. Its Uttarapada will become Lopaha. And that could be any compound, Bhagubrigi, or it could be anything. Karmadharya, Atat Purusha. Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadakshathe Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vasishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.